Hello everyone. Today Fiza will show you how to make this beautiful cake serving dish by spending less than $5.
Hi, for the cake serving tray, I need these three, a big plate like this, a bowl and a glass like this. You can buy all these from any dollar store. These are the cheap plastic things. And I need the hot glue gun and the golden spray paint. First, I will put it upside down and apply the glue with the hot glue gun like this. All around it. Then I will put it on the bowl like this. Now I will put the glue on the top like this. And I will put this plate on the top in the center like this. Now I will put the golden spray paint or whatever the color you like. If your theme is in silver or you like any other color, you can add any color you like. I will put golden color. Now I will spray the paint. Like this. The paint is dry. You can see I will apply some decorations on it with the hot glue. I will apply the glue like this. Now you will finish it like this. I will apply one here like one at the end. The cake serving dish is ready.